Hey friends, if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you. I'm so thankful to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be taking down Christmas decorations and getting the house reset and just kind of, get ready for the new year. I do have another video that's going to be coming out after this that's really going to be like a blank slate refresh as far as like cleaning and things like that go. I have a Valentine's decorate with me that's going to be coming out, so lots of fun and motivational things happening in the future on my channel. So today we're going to start out in our master bedroom. I put up just a few things in here. It wasn't too terrible to take down. It honestly didn't take me more than an hour to take everything down in real time. So yeah, I'm just going to start out here and we're going to clean up just a little bit. I'm going to vacuum the floors and things like that after we get everything taken down. And then we will make our way down to the living room and the kitchen. And, just kind of take everything down there as well. You'll notice that I have on different outfits in this video because this did not happen in the same night. This happened in about 3 different days. I have a job and a baby, and I just do the best I can and try to film what I can. So that's kind of the hodgepodge that I've got going on in today's video. But nonetheless, a lot of motivation. Get this stuff down with me, and let's get our houses ready for the new year. I knew that I wanted to wait until I could see everything that I needed to put up downstairs also before I really organized this bin. So I kind of threw everything in here and then I just kind of let go, later on and fix it a little bit more the way I wanted it to once I saw how much more things needed to fit and, I could kind of prepare better that way. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and take our tree down. In our living room, I have one of those big red bags that you put the tree in, and I think those are well worth it. They're not very expensive at all instead of using the cardboard boxes that the trees come in. But here for our bedroom tree, this is the first year that I've had this tree in our room. And in my daughter's nursery, I also have a little tree. I haven't taken it down yet though because it's pink. It was kind of like a rose gold color, and I've kind of just left it up with nothing on it for Valentine's Day. Anyways, I'm rambling. There's Haven, my sweet little girl. She was watching me, offering zero help, might I add. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this tree back in the box. It never goes in quite as well as it came out. And so I might even be able to fit this tree in my big red bag that I put our living room tree in. I haven't tried it, like I said, this is the first year I've had it, but I don't know, next year I may get another one of those bags for our smaller trees that we put throughout the house, like the one here and the one in my daughter's nursery. So I don't know, we'll see, but for now we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing back in this box. When I pulled this dresser out earlier, I saw the biggest dust bunny ever back there. So I'm going to try to show a little clip of it here in a second. You can hardly see it, you know, in the footage here, but there it was. Yeah. So it's so funny, you know, you think that you get everything so clean and good whenever you vacuum on just a normal basis, but there are definitely some little things hiding out. So it's definitely worth it to move the furniture when you can. It felt so good to have everything kind of back in its place and where it fits better in our room. It definitely flows better having the mirror over here. You know, I'm always really sad whenever Christmas and the holidays like this are over, because, you know, it's several months until something. Well, I like Valentine's Day too, but you know what I mean. I get really sad whenever all of the decorations come down. Everything just seems so bare, but it's also nice to have a clean slate and just kind of set your intentions for the new year. My daughter was born in the spring, so now I have a whole new love for, you know, that time of the year that I never had before. So as sad as I am to see all of these things come down, I am really hopeful and excited for, you know, what the warmer weather brings. Also, I didn't know this was a thing, but like feng shui or whatever, apparently you're not supposed to have a mirror at the foot of your bed. So that kind of freaks me out, but I have this one in like it's kind of caddied in the corner, so it's not actually directly at the foot of our bed, but the way that our room flows, it just kind of works out better that way. But yeah, here we're going to go ahead and go on into the living room. You can see that we had a little bit of things to pick up in here, and so we're going to go ahead and do that. This actually was filmed at a different part. We have to put up Vivian's things in this caddy and put it up here on this fireplace, because our dog Haven, whenever we leave, she kind of, I don't know, she's kind of been a little bit spiteful, I think, because we take the baby with us, and, you know, obviously she can't go everywhere that we can go, Haven. You know, I wish that she could, but, you know, we can't bring our dog everywhere. But, yeah, she has a little, I don't know, like, I guess she just gets a little bit frustrated and she tries to chew the baby's things. So we have to try to put them up, and that's what I was doing there, is going ahead and putting that back under our coffee table. So I didn't actually show you guys my stockings over here, and I've completely forgot about it because I got them hung up late because I was waiting on those hooks to come in. But it looked really cute. I had our little name tags that I had gotten off of an Etsy shop. Ended up having to order Vivian one before Christmas. And her color, I ordered it from the exact same shop, the exact same wood color, but whenever it came in, hers was significantly lighter than the rest of ours. So I thought about reaching out to the shop, but I didn't, and I guess now it's too late. But anyways, we're going to start out here, taking everything off of the fireplace, and then kind of work our way around the room.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
So our daughter is going to be mobile here pretty soon. She already kind of is, just by rolling and scooting around. She's very, very close to crawling, and walking, of course, is going to be in her future soon, hopefully. And so we're kind of going back and forth and you know, toying with the idea of moving this coffee table out of our living room. We don't have a huge living room, and you know, it would help give a little bit more room in there. We don't really want to take out the recliner because it does offer more seating whenever we need it. So I think we're going to potentially store our coffee table and save it for another season of life. So right now I did take everything off of it on the top there. So it's staying for this video, but in the future it may be finding a new home for a little while. Also, I know I mentioned in my decorating video, but this was the first year that I ever decorated my tree like this, like very, very traditional with the red, white, and green. And so you can see that I had a little bit of a harder time finding where I wanted to store our ornaments, because this was the first time that I ever had all these ornaments on our tree. The bottom of my little ornament organizer over there is full of other ornaments that I did not use this year. So I definitely need to go through everything and organize, and maybe donate some things that I'm not going to be using anymore. That's just not my style. So you can kind of see that I'm taking things off the tree and then trying to maybe set them aside until I can figure out how the best way to store them would be. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this garland off. I loved that garland, you guys. I cannot wait for Christmas next year, and just to be able to use that. I just thought it looked so dreamy and snowy, and yeah, I love those. That was just the best thing ever that I found at Hobby Lobby. So highly recommend those next year if you do not have them. I tried to somewhat organize our bins here and put like floral things and like the trees in one bin, and more things that are decorated for the trees in one bin. I do combine our the different rooms decor in the two bins here. I may eventually try to separate them, but I feel like if I try and just put, for instance, say I have one bin that's just for the master bedroom, one bin that's just for the living room, I feel like it kind of almost puts you in a box on your decorating, and you may not think outside the box and put things in other places and see how you can decorate the same things that you have differently. So I don't know, that's kind of the reason I'm not sold on that idea personally, because I know me and I can get very stuck in my ways and not think outside the box. So I like to store everything kind of together and then just kind of pull it out and start with a fresh thought in mind the next year and see, where I can use. I might have something in the living room one year that's going to be in the kitchen another year, and so on. So that's kind of why I store things the way that I do. This is that big red bag I was talking about earlier that we store our Christmas tree in. This is our third year, I believe, using this, and it is just amazing. I highly recommend this thing. And like I said, I may get another one for the other trees that we use throughout the house. And yeah, it's so easy. All you have to do is just stuff your tree in there, zip it up, and it's good to go. It's so much easier to haul and to carry. My husband's going to watch this video back and be like, but did you carry it? So yeah, I did not actually carry the tree, but I've stored it in like a corner of our living room, and he carried it down for me. So, but yeah, it is a lot easier just, to move around having these big candles and throwing it over your shoulder. Alright guys, we're going to end the video going ahead and getting our floors cleaned up. And yeah, you can kind of see over there on the right side, we are starting to kind of figure out how we can have things here in the floor for my daughter by moving. We moved the coffee table out a little bit here, so you can just see that it's really, it may not work in here, a coffee table. We need the room, and we have her little letter mat over there. My mom got her for Christmas, and she loves playing on that, so it's something that'll keep her a little bit occupied, that I can still keep an eye on her while I'm getting something done for the house, which is always a win-win in a mom's book. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some motivation to get your own things down. And, let's get ready for the new year. I'm so excited. I'm going to have some intention settings and, I don't know, just a lot of fun, positivity, good mindsets for the new year coming up. So look forward to that, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out if you can also like my video. My videos have just really not been getting pushed out lately, and I would love for more people to be able to find my channel. I'm so glad that you did. And again, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.